Welcome back, guys. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, I'm gonna be placing live trades on boom and crash. So, you're seeing the chart now. I've already placed some big positions on boom and crash. I want to show you guys that this strategy actually works. This is the best of the best strategy, guys. This strategy is a powerful strategy. So, right now, I've placed my position. I think I should add some more positions. I'm having that eagerness to kind of add some more positions, but just wait. I'm going to add if I see any need to. All right. This strategy actually works very, very, very well, and I've tested it over 100 trades, guys, and it works. So that's why I'm giving this strategy out for you guys for what? For free. So I urge you guys to stay attention, watch this video to the very end, and please, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you, guys. So, I'm thanking you guys in advance because I know you have that intention of hitting that subscribe button. All right. So right now you can actually see that this trade is actually moving really, really well in our what favor. So all we have to do is be patient. And I advise you guys, as you're patient, don't let greed take hold of what you. So right now it's still going in our favor. We are happy, guys. Have a good profit, happy people. All right. So that's what I'm giving you the strategy to make good money for you guys. So right now, it's still running in our favor, but soon I'll be closing out. Why? Because I don't want to be greedy. I'll be satisfied with what I have. Okay. Please don't try to follow me. Okay. My account size and yours are not the same. All right. The fact that I used 40 lots, 50 lots, my friend, I can actually bear that risk. I don't advise you to do the same, but sometimes you can do it and get away with it. So it's still running in our favor, still running in our favor, but I just have to be patient, and I try to like overcome every voices of take profit until my mind tells me to. Okay, so right now I'm still actually kind of like in the waiting process. All right, let's be cool. All right. So this one thing about this strategy is it actually works really well, and I've tested it for spikes a couple of times. Okay, and I haven't actually come to the conclusion of giving you guys this particular strategy so that you can catch spikes. All right. So, but when I'm done testing it like over 100 trades on the live account, all right, we'll give it to you guys without any hesitation. All right. And please, if you actually want to get this strategy, why not hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, take us to 8,000 subscribers. Then I'm not going to hesitate and give you guys this the strategy. Okay, I'm not going to do that. I won't delay you guys of what you actually deserve. So I'm actually beginning to consider to take my profit because this is a massive amount. If a spikes comes in, so but anyway, let's just be patient, guys. Let's be patient a bit. So I think at this point in time, we should start doing the needful, but I find the urge to like be persistent a bit, so that I can show you guys how powerful this thing is, and so that when I decide to actually take it out, guys, you are actually going to like agree with me. Okay, so I'm out now. I'm out. So this is very, very powerful, and any moment from now expect a spike. Okay, any moment from now you're going to see a spike happen in real life. Okay, so I've closed my trades. Why? Because I'm satisfied, and although I got this trade at a very low time interval. Okay, so now you see, after when we out, the spike came. Hello, guys. So right now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm mainly going to be showing you how I use this particular strategy to make profit from the market. So I've already shown you how I trade with this strategy, and it works. Like, I've tested the strategy over 100 trades, so it really does work. So right now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use this particular strategy of mine to make money from the market. All right, so just be patient and follow me. All right, so right now we're just going to be looking at boom 1000 and crash 1000, because basically those are the pairs we're going to be focusing on. All right, for the boom, you're going to be looking forward for selling opportunities, and then for crash, you're going to be looking forward for buying opportunities. All right, so now look at the charts. Okay, if we go to the 15 minutes time frame, all right, if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, on the hard time frame perspective, you can see this. All right, it's below the Bollinger Band. All right, you can see the whole of this, that this is below the Bollinger Band. So what you gonna, even if you go to the 5 minutes time frame, you can see the same exact same thing. All right, that is below, the candles are below the Bollinger Band. When that happens, all right, you wait for a spike on the smaller time frame, like the 1 minute, the 15 minutes time frame. Then you go, your entry, you're getting it from the 1 minute. Okay, so now you see the 5 minutes was indicating sell, and then you come to the 1 minute time frame, and then you take your sales from here. All right, and you can take your profit. You see, you can take your profit, your 10 candles, your 20 candles, as the case may be. All right, you can keep doing these over and over again. The 15 minutes is still saying sell, and then when we have this crossover of the Bollinger Band, like we have this crossover, okay, and also the MACD indicates what sell. As you can see, it's at the sell zone, and looking at the MACD, you can actually see this area, right? You can see this area here, the way it actually is. So from there, what happens? You see, you can take your sales, because you have how many confluences here? You have the 15 minutes telling you, this 15 minutes time frame telling you is a sell. All right, the 5 minutes time frame telling you is a sell, but you don't need the 5 minutes time frame, but you just have to check to clarify that this thing, the other higher time frames like the 15 minutes are in tandem with what you are actually looking for. Then you take your sales, guys. You take your sales. This strategy works, guys. This strategy actually does work. So you see, you can enter, take your 10, your 20 candles, as the case may be. This strategy works both ways. I've tested it, but I'll be releasing a video for that next time, not in this particular video. I'll be releasing a video about that. So you see, my people, like I said, this stuff works, guys. It's all about understanding how it works. All right, you have the market come to the sell zone. All right, you have the crossover of the Bollinger Band. Then what happens? You take your sell, take 10 candles, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market, guys. Just you enter your stop loss just slightly above it, guys. Your stop loss just slightly above it. Your stop loss just slightly above. Your stop loss just slightly above. You don't just have to be greedy at any given point in time, okay? Because you want to make money from this market. You don't want to make money. You don't want to be greedy, my people. You want to make money and you don't want to be greedy. So you can keep doing this and doing this each and every day, guys, and I assure you that you're going to keep making money from this market, okay? So you have, this is the sell zone. This is the confirmation you needed, guys. This is the confirmation you needed, and we have the MACD being at the sell zone. So since you have the MACD at the sell zone, what do you do? Right? You go down, you take your sales, guys. You take your sales, guys. Take your sales, my people. See, you take your sales. Your 10 candles, your 20 candles, as the case may be, my friend. All you need, that's all you need, guys. And the more you do this consistently, the more money you make from the market, guys. So look at this now. This is another opportunity. You see, it's still in alignment, guys, and this is very, very clean, guys. You see, you still take your trade. And then for this particular strategy, you're going to be using the third zoom level, okay? You're going to be using the third zoom level. That's all. And you make money. You make money from this market. I've tested the strategy over 100 trade, guys, and this strategy appears to work, guys. See this. You take your 10, your 20 candles, you're out of the market. So now let's try it on crash 1000, guys. Let's try it on crash 1000. So you guys can actually see this is the 1 minute time frame. The market is at what? At our sell zone. Okay, it's at our buy zone, sorry. And then now you see this crossover. All right, now let's look at the 15 minutes time frame, for instance. Okay, why? Because looking at the 15 minutes time frame, you have the Bollinger Band being below price. Okay, below price in the case the market is actually pushing to the upside. And then you see the reason after that spike, there was a good buying opportunities there. So this strategy actually works, guys. It works. You just have to check the higher time frame for confirmation, so that you know that what you're doing is in alignment with what the current market trend. That way you avoid losing money. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is it. So you see, this is another opportunity. We have this big wonderful spike. All right, so the spike happened quite a lot of times, and finally when we had the confirmation, what happened? The market decided to give us an opportunity, and then you could have just done what? Traded with the higher time frame perspective. Okay, because on the higher time frame, you see, you could have just entered. My people, you could have just entered. So you see here we have the boom 1000. All right, so same thing in the crash 1000, guys. This strategy actually works. There's no need to preach too much about it, guys. There's no need to preach too much about it. So you see, the same principles, you can keep applying them over 100 trade, guys. Even if you lose, guys, the losses are just gonna be maybe out of 100, you can lose 40 trades and you win 60. And the ones you're winning, the risk to reward is actually higher. So guys, I've shown you that this thing actually works. I've shown you. You see here, it spiked to the sell zone, and then here we have that crossover of the moving average, and then you could just take your trade, guys. You could just take your trade. Guys. You could just take your trade. Now we have this. Okay, we have this crossover, guys. We have this crossover. What happens? You take your buys. Okay, you take your buys. All right, so that's that, guys. Let me just share with you guys the settings for this particular strategy. For this particular strategy, we have the moving average, which is 10, shift 0, method linear weight, apply to weighted close. All right, so apply to weighted close, which is the last one here. All right, so the color should be yellow. All right, then the next one, we have the Bollinger Band, period 5, shift 0, deviation 0.5, apply to previous indicator starter. All right, color, you just have your color, which is that. Okay, and you click on what done. All right, the next thing we have is the the relative strength index, period 1, apply to close. And then for the levels, we have the 20, the 10, the 80, the 90 levels respectively. And then the style is 3 pixel. And then when you're done, you click on done. The last one we have is the MACD, fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9, apply to close. And then main signal should be this, and then signal that. And guys, please endeavor to hit the like button, follow us on this YouTube channel, and also follow us on the Telegram channel, where we provide majorly good quality signals for you guys and free signals as well. So see you guys when next we actually meet again. So see you guys then.